Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall. We are here on the show floor once again. I am here with Kevin Vanderslice from IFM. Kevin, how are you doing today?
I'm great, how are you?
Doing fantastic. And there's a lot of cool stuff happening in this booth. Talk to us, what solutions are you guys bringing in the industry today?
Really good question. So one thing about IFM, we're a sensors and controls company. So we have a unique portfolio to actually bring data off the machine, collect the data, send the data to a modem, and then send it out to a laptop.
Awesome.
And one of the things that we're seeing is that people want to collect data, they want to analyze it, and they want to trend it to keep their machines operating 100% of the time.
I love this because for so long you guys have helped a lot with the manufacturing equipment side, and we see equipment and off-road vehicles getting smarter.
Right,
and
correct.
You guys are driving solutions. So can you talk more specifically, what are some of the sensors and cameras and screens that you guys are helping make these equipment smarter?
Yeah, so if we think about hydraulic oil, right? So you need to have clean oil, it has to be no water in it. So we have oil quality sensors, we have humidity sensors for the oil, you have temperature sensors to make sure that your HPU is not too hot. Then you have flow sensors, making sure you have the right flow. On the vehicle itself, you want to make sure that the operator isn't hitting anything, right? Because that's unplanned downtime. So you have backup cameras to help the operator go in reverse. And then you have forward-facing cameras for avoiding collisions. And all of that can be displayed on an HMI that we have, and you can have up to 4 cameras. So you can get a really good sense of, say, the area surveillance around the machine.
Awesome. Kevin, thanks for your time. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Thank you.